Hey guys, welcome back to BOSH TV, and today we're cooking a super simple dish.
Super simple indeed. It is porridge.
So you're the expert in porridge, dude. How do we start?
Take our fortified plant-based milk. This is almond milk, but we could use any milk really.
Oat milk is definitely a really good milk to use because it's the most ecologically friendly of the plant-based milks.
Now, oats in oat milk could be quite weird.
Is that like cannibalism?
Yeah.
Where you've got oat milk and oats together?
As you can see, we've just brought it up to a very gentle simmer. Yeah, we're just going to get those in there. This is salt.
Will it taste salty?
It will give a bit of body, but it won't give it the salty taste.
So what are key things to look out for if you're making porridge?
I like to cook it low and slow. You can sort of dictate the creaminess of the dish. But we haven't put our magic ingredient yet.
The cinnamon?
Yeah, the cinnamon.
Okay, all of it?
Yeah, pop the whole lot in there. We've got 1 teaspoon, and that cinnamon is going to give a fantastic flavour profile from the base of the dish all the way up.
So should people just add plant-based milk as they see fit?
For me, I would prefer a more creamy porridge than one that's like really clumpy. So I'm going to add a little bit more plant-based milk in there.
So they're in there just soaking up the moisture.
And as far as I can see, I think we're about 30-35 seconds away.
So what else are we going to put in this dish?
I would suggest that we prep our banana. Now, banana, again, really healthy. It's got that good natural sweetness that you expect to come from a bit of fruit.
Nice. And we're going for the whole banana?
Yeah. Well, I would definitely wholeheartedly agree. This is basically perfect porridge.
But you've just been stirring this the whole time?
That's the tip. That is the trick here. Stir. Right then, you take the spoon and then spoon this bad boy into the pot. We've got one of our nice new bowls here, I see.
It is a very posh bowl.
Right then, so you've got your bananas here. Let's pop that in. This is crunchy peanut butter.
What kind of things should people look out for in peanut butter?
I would always go for something that didn't have palm oil in it. Avoid sugar. So this is just quite simple. It's a teaspoon of mixed seeds.
Just a little generic sprinkle there.
That's it, yeah.
So these are flax seeds, which are obviously really good for you. Filled with omega-3, omega-6, and like essential fatty acids.
There we go. So that is lovely. Last but not least, mixed dried fruit. And all of these, although small, will have the good nutritional content of a regular fruit.
I mean, it looks incredible.
And here's a trick for you. Eat with a small spoon and it will last longer.
Ah, good tip.
All right, good.
Breakfast of champions.
There we go.
Delicious.
It is delicious.
Got to get a bit of banana in there, I think. There you have it, tasty porridge. I mean, that was delicious. It's going to set you up right for the day.
Guys, it has been a pleasure and we shall see you next time. It is porridge. It's classic in the UK, it's classic in Scotland. In fact, we're using Scottish rolled oats for this.
Why Scottish?
Well, I presume because porridge grows there. But I have no idea.
Don't quote us on that.